People remember Nelson Mandela dying in prison. He didn't. They remember the Monopoly man with a monocle. He never had one. They remember a cornucopia behind the fruit on the fruit of the Loom logo. There was none. Everyone remembers these things the same wrong way. That's the unsettling part, not the mistake, the agreement. When confronted with the evidence, people don't say, "I was wrong." They say, "That's not how I remember it." As if memory were a place, as if the past could fork. But memory is not an archive, it's a negotiation. Each time we remember, we rebuild. Each time we rebuild, we simplify. And each time we simplify, we trade accuracy for meaning. The brain does not ask, "What happened?" It asks, "What makes sense?" So it adds a monocle to the rich man, a cornucopia to the fruit, a cleaner ending to a complicated life, because coherence feels like truth. The Mandela Effect isn't proof of parallel universes. It's proof of something quieter and more dangerous. That if enough people remember the same thing wrong, the wrong thing begins to feel real. And if who we are is built on things that never happened, once we know this, what does it mean to remember alone?